Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Have you heard that the eyes are the window to your soul? Well, that is great if your eyes aren't puffy. The skin that's so delicate under your eye area can get beautiful lines in them and sometimes a little dull. So that's why I like using these golden glow under eye patches. This is by DERMORA, and I find that when my skin is puffy in the morning, this is a simple way to remedy it for me. They're individually wrapped, so for convenience, they stay fresh and very simple to adhere to the skin. Once you set them on, all you do is press them and they're in place. 15-20 minutes later, you feel maybe possibly like me after using this. Fantastic. And I like that there's 50 of them. These high quality gel definitely infuse into my skin some seeping juices that really get to work. And I do notice that I'm really definitely hydrated. I like that I can move around once I am wearing them and they stay in place. So if you're trying to find a way to counteract that puffiness like I am, or maybe just to rejuvenate that under eye area, these have worked for me.
I love them, but that's just my point of view.